Welcome to lesson 7 of Microsoft Word tutorial. In this lesson we are going to talk about tables, how to insert tables, how to format it, how to edit it, and things like that. So let's go back to our document that we have been working on. So let's go to the end of the document and say here we want to insert a table. Since this is a topic around Olympics, let's say we want to create a section on medal tally, meaning how many medals each of the countries won. So we want to create a table on that. And this is a subheader, so we want to have the same format as this subheader. So we do a format painter and then come back and then paint on this. So you see the same format being applied on this subheader. Now inserting a table, you have to go to the insert tab right next to the home tab at the top. So I'm clicking on the insert tab. So you see a lot of options. Don't get confused. Click on the table. There's a drop down, there is an arrow, down arrow. Click on that. Now you see all these boxes. What it tells you is how many rows and how many columns you want in a table. So since we are talking about a medal tally, we want to have in columns, we want to have the country name, what is number of gold medals, number of silver medals, number of bronze medals, and the total number of medals. So we're talking about 5 columns. So you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, and then rows. Let's say we just want to put top 5. So including the heading, it will be 6 rows. So it's a 5 into 6 table. Now once you did this, on the top you see the table styles. There is a design tab that has got activated, and you see a tab or a grouping called table styles. Now this gives you an option of if you want to put certain colors, certain banded rows and things like that for the table. So how do you do it? You click on the down button here, and then in this you have so many options. You have different colors. You see, as I move the mouse over, you would see on the back side the table color also changes. So whichever color you want, you could use. For example, I want to go with this, the blue color, right? So I'll click this. So this is how the table will look like. Now I'm going to enter country, gold, silver, bronze, total. Now this is the header. Each one of these will be the individual rows. Now the top country, as we know, is USA. I'm just going to enter some numbers. So I'm going to enter like 40, 30 and 20, and this is 90 here. And the second country was China, right? 30, 40 and 30. No. Say 15. So it's 70, it's 85. And third country was UK. So let's do 25, 25, 25. So 75. And then I think it was South Korea. It was the fourth country. Let's do 20, 20, 20. And this becomes 60. And the fifth country was Germany. Now let's do 20, 15, 20, 20. So this is 55. So this is how you create a table. Now if you want to add more rows, all you have to do is press the tab key. After you go to the last column, the last row, press the tab key, automatically it opens the next row. I'm doing another tab, another tab, it will open another row. So that's how you insert rows. If you want to insert a column, go to the last column and move your mouse pointer over that. At a place it's going to show a down arrow. So in that point, just do a right click. When you do right click, it gives you a lot of options, and then you have an option for insert, and it says insert column to the left or the right. I want to insert the column to the right. I've inserted a column to the right. Now if I want to delete it, do the same thing. Move the mouse over the top of the column, and then at one point you're going to see a arrow. Just do a click when you see that arrow, and then once you click on that, then do a right click. I'm going to delete this column here. Now if you want to resize this, you move the mouse over the corner lines. You see a double line with arrows on both the sides. That tells that's a time when you click and then drag. When you move the mouse pointer over the line, it's going to give you a double line like this with two arrows on both the ends. That helps you to adjust. You can move either to the left or to the right depending on how you want to adjust. You can do the same thing for other lines as well. So every line, once you take the mouse over the line, you will get the double line with double arrows. So that will give you an option to adjust the lines. Same thing on the horizontal lines also. If I want to expand the horizontal, that's how you do it. Now I want to delete these two rows. So you click on this, do right click, delete rows. So as simple as that. So what we covered is how do you insert a table, how do you format it, and then how do you insert additional rows, additional columns, and inside the table, if you want to change the font sizes, you just select the text. Say for example on the header, I want to change the font size. Select the text and come to the home tab and then make it 12 or make it 14. You see the font sizes have increased. So this is how you work with tables in the Word.